take a look at it. Unique, especially in classics. 1955 Ford F100. 350 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, power steering. I guess I'd call this color kind of raspberry metallic. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front grille, chrome, headlight surrounds. If you want to take a look at the still pictures, take your time looking through those. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. As you can see, riding on chrome wheels. This is a fiberglass fender, front and rear fenders. Other than that, steel body and hood, of course. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at the interior. I'll start it up. We'll check out that engine bay, let you hear it run. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, in a wood laminated box. Dual exhaust. Again, still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. It does have electric wipers in it that we're working. When we pop the hood, new Edelbrock carb on there. Some of the details on this one, and let's take a little closer look at the interior. Doors painted to match the exterior, and gray cloth, bucket seats, center console. So some customization also done on the interior. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Let me show you a couple things quick in here first. So a couple aftermarket gauges underneath the dash. Defrost and blower. Switches there. And wipers are here. They're electric wipers. They do work. Let's fire it up. Key will be on the dash. Starts easily. Nice deep throaty exhaust note. There's those gauges. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that temp gauge to be up any, but you can see oil pressure there. Rear's fuel gauge is moved also. Door closes nicely. There, you can hear it. I'm going to slip up to the front. Let me pause this just 1 second. Better take two hands to get the hood open here. And we'll check out that engine bay. Alright, I popped the hood, and I also remembered I wanted to show you this. Kind of cool. Got a little blue oval Ford light. When you click on the parking light, that blue oval light is up in the front for you Ford fans. It does have kind of the Ooga horn. That does work. There's that 350. V8 power, and as you can see, new Edelbrock carb. Got some nice chrome dress up on there with valve covers and the air cleaner cover. '55 Ford F100 street ride pickup. Raspberry metallic. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description and take you right there if you're seeing it on our YouTube video. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, Did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1955 Ford F100 pickup truck in pink. Or a metallic raspberry. It's a very eye-catching color. It's an automatic on the column. Winter is winding down in Minnesota and the roads are dry, so we can do these drive-in videos for you. I don't have blinker indicators. Our fuel gauge is reading a quarter. Aftermarket temperature gauge is down at the 130 mark currently. Oil pressure is 40. You go straight down the road, there's no alignment issues. This truck is lowered a bit, so you do feel the road, but it's not bumpy or rough. It actually feels pretty good for driving. Not getting any tire hop or shimmies or shakes. There is an aftermarket CD player mounted in the center storage. That does not currently power up. Our brakes work good. Go around the roundabout and accelerate one more time. Acceleration. Check out this 1955 Ford F100 at uniqueclassiccars.com.